Hello everyone. Welcome to another informative video. Today I will inform you about why flights can be delayed. Flights can be delayed for a variety of reasons, and these delays can stem from many factors. Here are some common causes. One, weather conditions. Storms, fog, or heavy snow, adverse weather conditions can make it unsafe to fly, affecting visibility, runway conditions, or the ability to navigate safely. For example, thunderstorms, blizzards, and hurricanes can delay flights due to safety concerns. Wind. Strong winds, especially crosswinds, can make it difficult for aircraft to land or take off, leading to delays. Temperature extremes. Extremely cold or hot weather can also affect aircraft performance or airport operations. 2. Air traffic control (ATC) delays. Airports and airspace are managed by air traffic controllers, and when air traffic is heavy, delays can occur. This can happen due to congestion at busy airports or airspace restrictions, for example, military zones and other international factors. Traffic flow management. Sometimes, delays are implemented intentionally to ensure a smooth flow of traffic and avoid overcrowding in the airspace. 3. Aircraft maintenance issues. If an aircraft develops a mechanical issue or needs an inspection before takeoff, this can delay the flight. Safety is the priority, and the airline cannot proceed until the problem is resolved. 4. Crew availability. Pilots and crew members are subject to regulations regarding their hours of work. If a flight crew reaches their maximum allowable working hours or if there's an issue with crew scheduling, it can lead to delays. In some cases, replacement crew members may need to be necessary. 5. Security delays. Increased security measures, especially at busy airports or during heightened alert periods, can slow down the boarding process. Security checks, baggage screening, or passenger vetting can sometimes take longer than expected. 6. Airline operational issues. Delayed incoming flights. If the aircraft scheduled for a flight arrives late due to delays from previous legs, the subsequent flight will also be delayed. Turnaround time. Delays can also occur if the time needed to clean, refuel, or prepare the aircraft for its next flight is longer than expected. 7. Technical problems. Issues with the airport's equipment, such as runway lighting, fueling systems, or baggage handling, can delay flights. Similarly, if there are technical problems with check-in systems, boarding processes, or communication tools, delays can occur. 8. Airport delays. Some airports, especially during peak travel periods, can experience congestion that leads to delays. Runway congestion, inadequate parking space for planes, or long security lines can delay flights. Airport strikes or staff shortages. If ground staff, air traffic controllers, or other personnel go on strike or face staffing issues, operations can be disrupted. 9. International and government regulations. Delays can also occur if there are changes in regulations, customs procedures, or visa requirements, especially for international flights. These processes can take longer than expected, leading to delays. 10. Miscellaneous. Wildlife. In some cases, wildlife on runways, such as birds, may delay flights while safety measures are put in place. Fuel shortages. Occasionally, airlines might experience delays if there is an issue with refueling or a shortage of fuel at the airport. 11. Pandemic or health crises. During health-related events, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, flight schedules were affected by government restrictions, safety protocols, and reduced crew availability, which resulted in widespread delays or cancellations. Ultimately, flight delays are usually a result of multiple factors, and airlines work hard to minimize these disruptions for passengers. However, when they occur, safety and regulatory compliance are always the top priorities. Bonus. The cost to airlines per minute of flight delay ranges from $50 to $200, depending on factors like flight length, aircraft type, and operational circumstances. It's worth noting that the longer the delay, the more compounded these costs become, affecting both immediate operational costs and long-term financial performance. For more video, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, open the notifications and send this video to your aviation lover friends. You can also comment what you want us to explain. Your support means a lot. Thank you in advance.